Hey, how you doing? I'm Odin.
And I'm Yvette.
And welcome to Amsterdam Clog vlog.
Your locals guide to the city.
This episode is all about the Rollende Keukens.
The Foodtruck Festival.
But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel or join us on Instagram and Facebook.
The city is ready.
Let's go.
This free Foodtruck Festival is called the Rollende Keukens, what translates to the Rolling Kitchens. Since 2008, this colorful food truck festival resides in Amsterdam for only a few days per year. It started as a small neighborhood party but has grown into a slightly more exclusive festival that could set you back quite some money if you want the full experience.
Some of the trucks and items from the very first festival are still present today, like the yellow truck and the blue Ferris wheel. It's easy to spend a lot of money, but there are options to keep it modest. Bringing your own alcohol and food is not allowed at the festival area, but what you take with you around the area is up to you.
Because this all takes place in a park, it's easy to take a blanket with you for a picnic around the festival area. Don't worry about the trendy people, just come as yourself. The designs and themes on these mobile restaurants are a sight to behold. It's cheerful and colorful, one more beautiful and creative than the next.
And I didn't even mention the high quality and diversity of the food being prepared and served right there on the spot. More than 100 kitchens can be found. There's a very wide variety of cuisines you can choose from. There is a lot of barbecued meat from various regions of the world, and is in great demand.
You can find many cuisines from all corners of the world and enjoy coffee bars, ice cream, snacks, barbecue, bars and lots of performances. Our favorite is the fresh coconut macaroon. These are coconut balls that are freshly baked.
They're soft on the inside but have a nice crispy layer all around. Another tip is bara, simply put fried dough with herbs. A tip is to go in the evening. It can get cozy under the stars with lights all around. Throughout the day there are many performances and music all over the site.
It's a family-friendly festival, so if you can, take the kids. The festival is quite popular, so earlier in the day it's quieter, but in the afternoon it gets very crowded. Just be aware that the later the day you go, the busier it will be, and the longer you'll have to queue for your food. And it's best not to come on a budget.
If you want to spend a longer time on the site, it's best to do so with friends. Parking a car around the park is hard, so come by bike, walk or take public transport. It's easy to park if you travel by bike. The Foodtruck Festival is as wheelchair accessible as it gets for a festival on a lawn.
There are disabled parking spaces, 2 disabled toilets, everything is accessible via wheelchair, accessible mats, and the bar staff is there to assist if needed. The Westerpark is ideal for a festival like this. The park has a lot to offer, even without this festival. In the summer, for example, the lawn is very popular for lounging in the sun.
There are also dinners, dance festivals, Christmas markets, farmers markets, restaurants, salsa evenings and a cinema in the park. Next to the park you can find a real Dutch windmill. More about the Westerpark in a later episode.
can find this annual festival in the Westerpark in the second half of May. The festival starts at 1 in the afternoon and ends at 11 in the evening. Go to rollendekeukens.amsterdam for information about this year's festival, in English and Dutch. Bon appétit!
We conclude this episode with a drink. Hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please remember to subscribe to our channel or join us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll leave you with this impression of Amsterdam. Until next time, cheers!
If you want to see more of Amsterdam, select one of the videos on the left. We appreciate it if you would subscribe and follow us on the socials. Thank you for watching. Until next time.